Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Chrome, open the menu 3 dots, and go straight to Settings to save time. Once in Settings, type Language in the search box or tap the Languages section. This targets the options you need. You want to see the list of languages and the button to add languages. Click Add Languages now. This step collects the tools Chrome uses for search and UI language and prepares the browser so you can set English as primary quickly. Once added, find English in the list and use the 3-dot menu beside it to move it to the top. Moving it up sets priority for search relevance and interface text. Make sure you choose the correct variant, for example, English United States versus English United Kingdom, because search suggestions and spell check differ. If Chrome shows Display Chrome in this language, select it. Otherwise, Chrome will still prefer English for search if English is the top language. Finish by relaunching Chrome when prompted so the language change applies to the UI and search behavior. If searches still return results in a different language, clear cache and cookies, or test in an incognito window to rule out extensions. Some extensions alter search settings. Also check your Google account language and site-specific language settings, because signed-in preferences can override browser choices. If nothing works, change the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.